Zhengzhou Shore Origin is a company specializing in solid waste recycling and medical waste recycling, electronic waste recycling equipment manufacturing company. We not only have an advanced R&D department, but also have domestic and foreign marketing, production and after-sales service departments. We also have a professional office and team in India, committed to providing customers with quality products and excellent services. Our products have passed international CE and RoHS certifications, integrating raw material testing and mechanical design with excellent quality and trustworthy. We focus on the following main business areas. Pyrolysis plant used to treat medical waste, oil sludge, solid waste, plastics, tires, etc. The refined products can be widely used in other industrial sectors. Lithium battery recycling plant, processing of lithium battery positive and negative films, cylindrical lithium batteries, automotive lithium batteries, ternary lithium batteries, etc. Separation and recovery of component materials. E-waste PCB circuit board recycling machine, processing of waste circuit boards, copper-clad boards, waste computer motherboards, waste mobile phone motherboards, PCB waste, etc. Medical blister pack recycling machine, recycle all kinds of aluminum plastic panels, food packaging bags, aluminum plastic bottle caps, waste aluminum plastic, etc. Scrap radiator recycling plant, used to process various large radiators and less than or equal to 15 cm motor rotor with shaft. Multi-machine collaborative processing improves the quality and efficiency of metal recycling. Metal hammer crusher, crushing and processing of metal scraps, automobile shells, automobile motors, aluminum castings, metal cans, waste home appliances, etc. Our company also produces copper wire granulator PCB components dismantling machine, double shaft shredder, air conditioning radiator separation equipment, electrostatic separator, etc. Zhengzhou Shore Origin, after years of development, already in the United States, France, Germany, India, Mexico, Colombia, Thailand, Greece, South Korea, Japan, Vietnam, etc. Our equipment is installed in more than 60 countries, won unanimous praise from customers around the world. Welcome to visit our factory.